Hello everyone, it's 27th November. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page we have no problem in Kerala SIR, 99% forms given, says Election Commission to Supreme Court. Again, very important for policy and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have on 5th anniversary of Delhi border stir, Punjab farmers hold rally, demand MSP laws. Again, very important. Then we have proposed law to regulate fee of private educational institutions, worries Christians in Assam. Again, very important. Then we have 33.5 billion year old crater on Mars to be christened after geologist MS Krishnan. Again, very important for a geography perspective. Then we have how to navigate a complex global paradigm. Again, very important news. Then we have why telling stories from Himalaya is an argument against extinction. Again, very important. Then moving forward, we have arbitrary action by China unhelpful in boosting people-centric ties, says Jaiswal. Again, very important. Then we have India studying Dhaka's request for extradition of Sheikh Hasina, says MEA. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Constitution is document of national pride, says Draupadi Murmu. Again, very important for policy and governance perspective. Going forward, we have SC panel suggests creation of a Goa Tiger Reserve in phases. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have trade unions, farmers' body protest against new labor codes. Again, very important for employment perspective. Then we have students vandalize private varsity in Bhopal over food and water quality. Again, very important. Then we have PM Modi opens Safran's MRO for LEAP engines in Hyderabad. Again, very important for development perspective. Moving forward, we have no bias in RBI's inflation forecast. Again, very important for economic perspective. Moving forward, we have the world page, where we have Bangladesh authorities seize 10 kg of gold from Hasina's bank lockers. Then we have criminal confirms US envoys visit as talks on truce gain momentum. Again, then we have Gaza's economic collapse in 2024, says UNCTAD. Then we have Hong Kong fire kills 36, leaves 279 missing. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.